Well guys, good morning. Yesterday was a amazing day, but also stressful. You guys hit me up, you're like, yo, are you in Doge? Are you in Doge? Of course I was in Doge, boys, and I hit big. I had over $10,000 in Doge at a penny a share, a little like penny and like some tenth of a change, right? So basically 0.01 I was in at 10 grand. Jumped up to 8 cents at its peak yesterday. Which 10 grand that turned into $80,000, and I pulled out 10, my original 10, so now I still have money sitting in Doge. It's currently trading at, here I'll let you guys know, I think it's at like 6 cents now. It's at 5.4 cents. Again, at its peak yesterday at 6, it's kind of going up and down. I'm currently holding on. I am currently up 47% total return though, so I'm still in the green. Currently GameStop is trading at 356. I am 72% up total return on that. AMC is trading at 13.92. I am down 16% on that. Express is trading at 673. I am down 31% on that. Naked's at 185, and I'm down 13% on that as well. So across the board, on my total portfolio, I am down 12%. Now, it is what it is, but you know, this is just part of the game, or part of the thing. Robinhood just reinstated to buying all the banned stocks or whatnot, but now that Dogecoin and crypto is going up, they just sent out a message saying that instant deposits for crypto is not allowed. Now, instant deposits meaning if you put a $100 deposit, they'll give you $100 so you can invest that right then and there. You don't have to wait 5 days for it to clear in your bank, which I feel like is kind of good because people can put like $1,000 even though they only have $200 in their bank. And they still get that money right then and there. Now, I don't know if they just take the money out if your bank doesn't clear, but they always give it first. But now, since everything's going on, they kind of do it. So it's like Robinhood just keeps shooting themselves in the foot. I don't know why they're doing it. You know, you would think in the long run they would make more money through the business, not just through these little things. So I'm curious to see what they're doing. I am outside of a thrift store right now waiting for them to open though, so don't worry, we're getting some thrifting content. And I'm waiting for my realtor to call me back because, like I said, I'm gonna try to do the 6 months down. If the apartment's still like there to rent, then I'll put the $10,000 down. And I figured, you know what, for that, I'm gonna just sell a bunch of stuff. Obviously, I made a lot of money on stocks, but I still have a lot of inventory. So I'm gonna be doing probably, I figured $10,000, I have to list 100 items at $100. And obviously, I have items that are worth $300, I have items that are worth $200, I have items that are worth $150, so I'm probably just gonna figure out what to do, but I'm gonna list 100 items on my website, super cheap, just try to get that 10 grand and use that money to make more money. No, but enough talking, it's been 3 minutes now. Let's go see what we can find at the thrift store, guys. Let's get it. Well, they just said no new men's stuff today, so I'm probably just gonna quickly head out of here, but let me check the women's rack, I guess. Sadly, he was right. No good clothes, so we're probably gonna head out of here. Look at these bare fur. Just looking at the sneakers real quick. Look at these. Old school Nike Raids. How much though? $25. Sadly, I think this is the only good thing I'm gonna pick up. They're about $12. I looked online. They sell for about $100. 2010. Well, besides the shoes, the only cool shirts that we found was this, it always reminds me of like Harley, but the Freedom in Christ, like the all over prints. And then we found this cool Mardi Gras shirt. Sadly, I wish we would have found more, but we only found those 2 t-shirts and those Nikes, again, the 2010 Nikes. But hey, we're headed to the next one. Let's continue. And like I said, I need to go home. I need to pack. Yesterday, I was packing all day. I didn't even want to upload, but I figured, you know what? Let me continue uploading. And that's why I hit the thrift store. Currently still trying to break even on Naked and Express. It keeps going up and down, up and down. I should have sold it when I originally talked to you guys, but I'll let you guys know what I finally sold out in, if I break even, if I lose a couple dollars, or if I make a couple dollars on those 2 specific stocks. AMC and GameStop, I'm holding out. Dogecoin, I'm holding out also. I don't know if they brought the new racks out or not. This is my first time finding it. CP Company. If only it was Stone Island, but a nice little pocket shirt. Has a CP Company. Looks kind of small, size medium, but not bad. Better than leaving with nothing.
Even though this is a reprint, I love this Looney Tunes shirt. Just the cracking on it, like it looks a little bit worn on the gray with all the characters, the spell out. I'm gonna pick it up, it's pretty cool. And this was a men's size. We just found a 1993 Albert Einstein shirt. Couple quick finds. We have this Nike Miami Hurricanes basketball. On the back has a little hurricane logo. Double-sided like wolf shirt. And then a 2004 Frankenstein Universal Studios shirt. And then I saw these, but they're not worth anything. Dirty Robbers like camo pants. I thought these were super sick. I low-key may even just get them for myself, to be honest. Just because I love that camo. Has like jogger taper at the bottom.
So all the clothing was $1 at that store, so I ended up grabbing both of those camo pants. One of them actually turned out to be Levi's. I thought it was the same brand because it's the same like camo, but one of them actually turned out to be Levi's. And we ended up grabbing the 3 t-shirts. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, that 2004 Frankenstein Universal, the wolf shirt, and then something else. Now, I think I'm just gonna go home. Like I said, I have to pack, I have to do a lot of stuff, so I know I say this every single time and the video just ends, but let's go check on Captain, let's see how the little man's doing.
The following day.
Well, it is currently the next day. I obviously did not post yesterday, being Friday. I will be obviously posting, you'll see this today, Saturday. I just had to take a day off. I didn't really have a video, I didn't really want to just throw up anything, even though, like I said, I want to try to post every single day. I was just busy packing, busy doing laundry. I have a lot of stuff to wash. I have a lot of stuff to pack up, box. I packed up basically 90% of my closet yesterday, so that's good. Just t-shirts and jackets that I'm not using in this everyday thing. We are currently headed to the thrift store. Hopefully we get something good, because yesterday they didn't get one single new men's rack, so I'm hoping today they make up for it. Hopefully we get a lot of new men's stuff, hopefully find some good stuff. Yesterday I did actually end up selling a pair of Nike Air Max 270s, the blue ones. You saw we thrifted those for about $10, I believe. I sold them yesterday for $60 local. I did not film it though, because it was late at night, so it was like, there was no point, you literally couldn't see anything. But yeah, so we're gonna hit up this thrift store, then we're gonna hit up probably one more, then I'm gonna head back home, check on Captain, start packing, start doing laundry, and show you guys what is for sale. Yesterday I did a huge story sale, about 100 items listed on my Instagram story sale. I ended up selling 25 items, so huge shout out to you guys that, you know, every purchase does help make support these daily videos. And you know, if I'm gonna be getting this apartment, I'm gonna be putting $10,000 down. Obviously every purchase does help support and go towards that and, you know, counteract the cost of moving in. But enough talking, let's hit up the first thrift store. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it, guys.
So these are the finds of today. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them all. I'm definitely gonna grab these though, these Carhartt carpenter pants. A lot of stuff I don't know, because I just kind of grabbed it. A lot of people were here today and people were just grabbing stuff, so we'll find out as we go. Nike Miami Heat, basically. Nice little Nike tag. Nice little Adidas little windbreaker. Probably put this back, the Thermo Fit. Probably put this back also, just in plain Adidas. I thought these shorts were sick. Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy today?
Nah. I mean, you have a YSL, but it's like, it's whatever. If you see, it actually has YSL branding all over it. Then a polo.
So, leaving store number 1, and nothing too crazy. I think the best find we found was that YSL button-down shirt, and the reason was because it has branding literally all over the shirt, but it's a button-down shirt, so it's nothing too crazy. I wish it was like a vintage YSL t-shirt. That'd be super sick. There was one other person, and she went straight to the men's racks. I don't know what she got. She was just kind of just grabbing a bunch of stuff, so maybe she got some good stuff that I didn't see, maybe not. But let's head to the next store. Let's continue this today. And yeah, let's get it, guys. Just made it to store number 2. Give me a few years and I'm gonna be pulling up like this. A Ferrari at Salvation Army. You know? Give me a few years, I'm telling you. Mark my word. Save this video, clip this video. I'm gonna be pulling up in a Lamborghini Ferrari going to thrift stores. Still trying to haggle down $2 t-shirts to $1. Even after, I'm telling you, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Let's go and see what they got, guys.
Well, I totally forgot to film in there. I only got 3 t-shirts. We got this Who shirt. It has a date on it. I can't tell what date it's from. It's on the Hanes heavyweight though, so if I had to guess, it's probably like 2000s. And then I got this vintage Gap mock neck for myself. I've been loving mock necks recently, especially like how it's kind of cold. So we have this made in the USA. I actually found a black one the other day, so I'm gonna just add that to the personal. And then we picked up this FSU Florida Seminoles. Has like the spell out on the back. Nothing too crazy, but let's head to the next one.
I just got back to the house. I'm actually waiting. I'm meeting up with somebody right now to sell him this bootleg Burberry print jacket, which you guys have seen at the flea market. I've been trying to sell for about $10. I think he's buying it for $40. And then I'm also going to show him the black one right here. So I might sell him both of them. If I sell them both, I'll probably ask like 60 bucks for both. At the flea market I was asking 20, but that just sees how much more you can get from OfferUp. So we'll see how it does. A little apartment update. I did make the offer to put the 6 months down for the apartment that you guys saw, but sadly there is someone that's applying. I have to wait till Tuesday or Wednesday to find out if one, their background check approved. If it did, then by Friday they have to give a deposit. If they don't give a deposit by Friday, the apartment's mine. If they have something bad on their record, the apartment's mine. But also the realtor did say that there's 4 different apartments in that building. They're all about the same like size, layout and everything, but some of them have better finishes, like nicer bathrooms than others. This one is kind of what happened. He said there's another apartment in the back side that is gonna be for rent in the next week or 2, but like I said, it's a little bit not as nice. The kitchen is white, like the actual cabinets are white. The bathroom is like a white tub with like a normal sink versus like the nice stone walk-in little like stand-in shower. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do, especially for the same price. So I'm putting that much. I'd rather get the nice upgraded apartment that I fell in love with from the beginning, not the second option. So I'm gonna see how it is. Like I said, he will let me know about Tuesday, Wednesday, so we'll see how that goes. Everything's meant to be. If it's meant to be, I'll grab it. Everything's good. Current stock updation, I'm not checking until Monday. The market's closed right now. Robinhood isn't letting people buy crypto right now. I've been trying to buy all morning. I can't buy it on Robinhood. I bought it on other stuff, but not Robinhood. And yeah, I think that was a notification to sell this jacket. So let's go make some money, guys. How's it going, man?
Police?
No, yeah, it's a neighbor.
Oh, okay.
I'll take them out.
Oh, okay.
I brought both of them. Yeah.
Okay. I like the black one though. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to rock with the black one, man. Till I find some blue, cause you know I ain't really.
Yeah, of course.
There you go.
Appreciate it.
All right, boss.
All right, man.
Take care.
Just like that, we sold the black one for 40. He didn't even try it on. I don't know if it's gonna fit him, honestly, but whatever. He just took it and ran. He didn't want to take the navy. He said he doesn't have anything to do. I was gonna be like, oh, you want the navy for 20, but I don't know. It is what it is. I'll just let it be. I'm gonna go hit up one more store to kind of end this video. We need some more content. We need some better things. So let's head to the next store, guys.
Yeezys, 220, size 10.5. I don't know if they're real or not. Jordan's $100. Look at these Adidas Ultra Boost Parlay, $40. I don't know if they're Ultra Boost. Prima Blue made with Parley Ocean plastics. What size are they? Size 10.5. Look at these triple S's. $4.95. Louis Vuitton, $8.50. Fake human races. One of these fake foam closets, $130. Well, I guess they're real. These $70. Look at these all red Air Forces for $105. What the fuck are they smoking? It's insane.
Sadly, that store was just way overpriced. $100 for those Air Force. They were my size too. If they were like 40 bucks, I would have copped them for myself. But I'm starving. I'm gonna get some pork tropical for lunch and dinner. What time is it? It's currently 4:34. So I need to get pork tropical. Then I need to go home and edit this video so you guys can get it at Saturday. You know.
Are you frozen, dude? I got boil. I got boiled tropical. You haven't even eaten your dinner yet. Got the usual half chicken, rice, beans. Damn, the chicken looks kind of weak today. Fries, cilantro, garlic.